here? What do you want? Oh my god, that's so creepy. What the fuck? Get out of here. Seriously? What the fuck? It's gonna come back. Why is it doing that to me? Ooh, what the fuck? What the fuck is this about? What are you doing? What's wrong? Look at this bird. What the fuck? What's wrong? Are you creeping me out because I hate you stupid birds and how you sound? Oh my god, what the fuck? What do you want? Oh my god. What the fuck's wrong with this bird? Look at it, he's like creeping. Oh my god! What do you want? What the fuck? Where did he go? You see that bird, Tahira? What's going on here, hey? He's like staying around my door. What the fuck? Where did it go? I know he's gonna come back. Like, what the fuck is this bird doing?